And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us slow Foxtrot gold level choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. We take close hold, start with preparation, and dance feather finish. From here we continue with extended reverse wave, which is similar to first three steps of reverse turn and then backward basic. Then man dances heel pull. And we continue with hover feather, outside swivel, and from promenade position we dance feather ending. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. We take preparation step, and now we are ready to move down a line of dance with feather finish. We finish diagonally to wall and start with ladies heel turn extended reverse wave, which we move down line of dance around the corner here. Then man dances heel pull, which we finish diagonally to center of new line of dance, hover feather, then outside swivel and feather ending, which we finish diagonally to wall in new line of dance. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.